Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you a little tool to check the system requirements of your PC for Windows 11. Even though Microsoft provides its own checking app, it doesn't have much details to know why our computer is not supported for Windows 11. So this video will be useful for anyone who couldn't get the green tick from Microsoft's app. Okay guys, this is the software. You can see it lists out all the requirements that Microsoft expects for Windows 11 and they show whether we have those requirements or not. Anyway, since I'm recording this video from my old PC, it doesn't have much of it. Let's see how to download this software. Go to Google and search why not Win 11. Open this first search result. It's GitHub page. So you don't have to worry about the security of this software. Download the latest version from here. And remember, if you hope to use this app and check again after some weeks or months, download it again from here. Because Microsoft changes their requirements often. The developer has told he or she updates this tool according to those criteria. So get the latest version, unless you will not get correct information from the software. Okay, now open the downloaded file. Maybe you will be warned telling this tool is harmful or something. But don't be fear, we download this tool from GitHub. So you know GitHub is a safe place as we all can't see source codes of its apps. Okay, now you can see all the information as I showed you before. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and share the video. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.